Now, in this part, we are going to talk about aggregate functions using Query Builder. So in the background, I already added a new column inside my students table with the name of score and assign each student a number. So we are going to do sum, max, count, all the aggregate functions with this column. So let's go back to our project, and inside our get data, in here we will do some aggregate function. First of all, let's count how many students or how many records we have. So let's remove the where condition and change the first to count. So this will give us the count of all the records inside our table. Now if I go to get data URL, so let's go to our browser. In here, let's say get data. Now I got 100. So in here, as you guys can also see, I have 100 records inside my table. So this is how we can get the count. If I want to get the, for example, the maximum or minimum scores in my table, I can do that also. Just in the state of count, I can type max. Then inside here, I will type the column name. So I want to fetch the maximum number inside the score column. So let's copy this and paste it here. Now let's go back, refresh. The maximum number is 98. If I come here and order by score descending. Now let's go here. So as you guys can see, the maximum number is 98. Now, if I want the minimum number, in the state of max, I can type main. Let's save. Let's go back, refresh. The minimum number that the score column has is 4. Same. Let's remove this. Let's refresh our table. Now, as you guys can see in here, the smallest number is 4. Also, we can also get the average score. So by typing just AVG. Now let's save this one as well. Let's go back. Now the average score of all the students are 47.11. If you want more information about the Query Builder, you can always go to Laravel official documentation. So, and let's open Laravel website. Then let's go to developers, documentation, and in here we have database. Then you can select the Query Builder. In here you can get all the information that you want for conditions, advanced where clause, and all the information that you need for Query Builder.